Advantages and also downfalls of a gourmet coffee bean. Choosing a premium coffee bean over a routine coffee bean for your day-to-day coffee routine can have both favorable as well as unfavorable results. If you know the excellent and the negative that can include purchasing premium coffee, you can understand if it is the appropriate choice for your coffee needs. While there are several aspects of the coffee to consider, there are 4 significant make note of. Flavor. The taste of gourmet coffee is the apparent advantage of the purchase. The premium coffee has even more robust flavors as well as even more interesting, one-of-a-kind tastes than other sorts of coffee. Exquisite coffee commonly has a stronger taste and also feel than other kinds of coffee. Individuals will certainly pay for the a lot more complex flavor of premium coffee. Premium coffee has a better than other sorts of coffee. Scent. Odor is an exceptionally important part of coffee. Individuals will frequently establish their coffee machine to make their coffee at a particular time. Individuals like to wake up to the smell of coffee. Why would you acquire premium coffee if you did not, such as the odor? Gourmet coffee has a solid odor that is excellent for getting up in the morning. Brand. When you buy premium coffee, you are buying into a brand. You are buying into a brand name that is recognized for having a premium quality component. You are getting a brand that is understood for consistency. A huge factor that individuals pay top dollar for gourmet coffee is for the brand name alone. Individuals want to invest their money on an item that has the most effective top quality. Premium coffee provides those brand. Price. There is only one significant downfall when it pertains to premium coffee. This coffee is much more pricey than other kinds of coffee. Those who can tell the differences in between the flavors usually do not mind the additional cost. Those that are not coffee connoisseurs usually fall short to see the objective of the higher cost. The taste, scent, as well as brand name of premium coffee brand names as well as selections come with a high price. The procedure is much more pricey. The components are much more expensive. Usually, the firm increases the price to make their brand name extra prominent than one more. If you are not seeking to spend a large amount of cash on coffee, gourmet coffee beans are accept you. The flavor of the coffee is the most vital in terms of benefits of premium coffee. The taste is usually stronger and a lot more detailed with a premium coffee bean. The smell of the coffee does the same. The much better sampling the coffee, the far better smelling the coffee is likely to be. Some people purchase gourmet coffee just because of the trademark name. This highlights the significant downfall of gourmet coffee: cost. The expense of premium coffee usually turns people away. If you can afford premium coffee, it will be the most effective acquisition for your morning mixture.